This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great having you join me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to go over another new strumming pattern that works well for 4/4 time, as that is the focus of the lesson series right now. Super fun learning all these different strumming patterns. After we've gone over the strumming pattern, we'll jam together on a chord progression using this. And when I say jam together, of course, I mean you, me, and the bass and drums accompaniment that I've recorded for this video. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 93 and 94. So this is strumming pattern number 10, found there on page 93. As part of our further study, we're learning some more strumming patterns that we haven't learned before, build on all those things that we have worked on before, so it's super fun. All right, so this strumming pattern goes down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So this is familiar to us because we've had this sort of movement, maybe with just that quarter note on that first beat, down, down, up, down, up. Now we've got the down, up, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 4 and. Played it there with muted strings. Now I'll do it with an E chord. So we got down, up, down, up, down, up. It's going to happen. You can work on it at different tempos doing that. This one also works really well with the swung eighth notes that we've learned before. So the down, up, down, up, down, up. Progression that we're going to play is going to use E, A, and B7. So you may want to practice that with each of those chords, but let's just go ahead here in the video and jam together on this chord progression so we can practice this strumming pattern right in context. It's going to be super fun. We are going to do strumming pattern number 10 found on page 94. And we'll do it first with the even eighth note. So we'll have an even eighth note groove, and we'll do it at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So we'll do it twice with those even eighth notes, and then we'll do it again with swung eighth notes. And we'll do it with the swung eighth notes first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and jam together on this chord progression. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. Of course, in the next video, we'll take a look at another new strumming pattern. We've actually got another one for 3/4 time that we haven't done before, so it's going to be great. We'll do that in that next video. Take care, and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.